Make a wish, y'all. It's 11:11. Make a wish. Make a wish. Come on. Manifest this ish. Manifest this ish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Manifest this ish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Wow. It is so amazing. Mother Nature is awesome because, listen, she's still doing her thing, yo. Everything was dead and frigid. You don't gonna be out here. Well, other things are out here, but people, I'll try that naked and afraid thing in the middle of winter. Man, you're gonna lose a foot. You're gonna lose your whole entire foot messing around with this winter. Let me tell you. You're gonna lose a whole entire thumb. Maybe two. Dang. You're gonna have to apply for disability now. You're thumbless. Oh, listen. You better stop messing with Mother Nature and recycle. You better quit all that fracking and playing games, okay? God, it's beautiful out here. It is beautiful. I love this moss too. Which one do I want to do today? I want to get down to the falls. It is steep. It is steep. It is steep. It is steep. But I'm the brave person walking through. Stick touches me, screams like a little girl because I am a little girl. I'm by myself out here. What? With these colorful pants. Hopefully they find me. I love you, Miles. I love you, Marcel. I love you, CJ. I love you, Ruby. Oh, I tried. My brother and sister suck. Boo. Both of you suck. I ain't leaving you nothing. Mom, keep being weird. Keep being a weird mental case. You'll get there one day. And you want to be mad. And you want to be mad at your children. Oh, God. All right, here we go. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is just straight downhill, boy. Straight downhill. I think I'm going to hike back up this, yeah. Oh, my knees going to be kicking my booty cheeks, but it's okay. Oh, that's a pretty plant. I don't know what you are, but you're pretty. Oh, my gosh. I've recently become a plant mom, and I really freaking love it. I love seeing my plants growing, and I love getting the soil, and just, I don't know, it's just a whole vibe in my house, and it's nice. But I was reading this comment, and this other lady, plant influencer person, you know, doing her thing, showing how she's propagating her plants. The comment was, a house full of plants isn't going to fill your empty womb. Don't you really just want to just pull his pants down and just give him a good congratulations? Yes! You go ahead and fill my womb. Oh, that's right. Kiss my booty cheeks, boo. Kiss my booty cheeks, okay? Kiss them. But I know you're not even worth it, so... you're really not. Like, why do people open up their mouth and say certain things? You know, that's my biggest issue in life. Why? Because you can say it, do you believe that you have the right to say it, let alone let it come out of your mouth? That is you had to think it. Oh, hi, bee. Save the bees. Excuse me. I have a lot of phlegm because I smoke weed, and oh yeah. Yeah, I don't intend on stopping. I'd rather die than to not be high. I'd rather die. I'd rather die than not be high. Y'all just don't even know. Anyway. La la la. There's a trail at what? When did that happen? I was about to pass it. Like what? Oh, wow, that's pretty. You see that? Wow. Yes. We've arrived to our destination, darling. We've arrived. Oh, man. I love these places. Pennsylvania, most of the places I've been have these, like, fall things. Oh, man, these mosquitoes are going to come and tear me a new one. But that's okay. I'm just going to keep going. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I brought Marcel and Miles out here one time. Man, I don't even remember that pool looking like that. That is nice. Wow. Woo! Ridiculous, man. I don't even remember this big rock. Where'd you come from? Were you here? Or did somebody put you here? Who sent you? You're awesome. I'm gonna touch you now. I'm gonna touch you. Touch the rock. Don't tell nobody. Hi! You're beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Okay. I can't just do this with people. I can't just randomly do this. What? You'll lock me up. Again. If only I could swim, I'd go right douche. I mean, I can swim. I just haven't learned how to swim yet. Oh, man, that's beautiful. Oh, it's like something out of a movie. Yep. People gonna be walking around, doing their thing, snuggling up next to their sweet something. Their sweet something. Giving them a little something, okay? Leaving their problems in the past as they should be. Oh, man, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Oh. Whew. Man. Yeah. And we are still everywhere. Still everywhere. Alright, guys. Thank you for going on a hike with me today. Thank you for listening to me huffing and puffing and being silly. And this is your reminder to just get outside and do something different for yourself. Even though it's hard and you're sweaty, do it anyway. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.